Okay, today is February 2nd, 2020. It's a beautiful day outside.
We're going to see the tornado siren.
Yeah, and Andrew has asked me to make a video of them walking up to this tornado siren, which we can see out our back window of our house. Which is, let's see, let me pan around here. You can't really see it, but it's way off in the distance over there. Maybe when I get to the top of the hill. Okay, here we go.
Remember, guys, I've showed you it before. I've zoomed in and you can see it from our house. They already know that.
Oh, okay. All right, well, go show us the siren. Wesley, you gonna go with Andrew? Oh, wipe out. Slow down, get on the sidewalk where it's not so slippery. Now, Andrew, remember there's cars coming, so we don't go past the siren. Okay, there it is. Wesley, that's the tornado siren. Check it out. We're gonna go check it out. You guys go ahead of me.
I don't know if it's testing day.
No, they don't really test them in the wintertime. Oh yeah, it almost looks like snowmobile marks. So there it is.
Whoa.
The American Signal Corporation. Hey, cars, so stay right here.
That is so weird.
It is weird. And 210, I don't know what that means.
That tornado siren is bigger. The tornado siren horn is bigger than my head.
Yeah, I don't know why there's so much traffic on a dead-end road. What do you think? That's it, huh? All right, Wesley, that's it. We're going to go back to the park.
Oh, it's so cool.
I know. I wish it was facing the other direction so I could get a video of it, but there's too many cars coming by right now to really do that. So, nope. Wesley, come this way, bud.
I wish I could see what's inside of the horn.
Okay. Tell your viewers goodbye. I'm going to shut it down.
Bye.